Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are turning up the flavor island style with this creamy jerk chicken penne pasta. I am so happy that you stopped by on my page, so please go ahead and give this video a like. Here we have our chicken thighs. We're gonna rinse them with some. So I'm about to go to church. Well, not quite, but I'm gonna cook when I come home from church, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-season because I didn't get to do any of this yesterday. I have my chicken thighs here with me, so that's what we're doing. Okay, so here I have my lime and my lemon. We're gonna rinse the chicken and get it all seasoned, put it in the fridge until we come back home from church. Chicken thighs are much juicier than the chicken breasts. They hold the flavor more, and the chicken breast tend to dry out even after it's cooked and sitting. It will continue to cook a little bit and then get dry, but you can use it and make sure that you like cover your pan or something to help it hold the moisture. But the chicken thighs, they are more juicier. Okay, I like to just kind of flatten it a little bit. All right, it's time to rinse, so I'm gonna head over to the sink. Now that our chicken is nice and clean, yes, we're gonna go ahead and season. I don't have any powdered jerk seasoning, so I created my own. You can use some crushed pimento, you can add your garlic powder, a little thyme, whatever herbs you have, go ahead and use that. And I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of jerk marinade and a little olive oil. We're going to sprinkle on our seasoning to make sure that the chicken is properly coated, and then we're going to cover it and set it in the fridge until I come back from church. Okay, so we had a great time at church. It's time to cook, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my chicken. I already have my pan heated on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle in some olive oil, and then we're gonna go ahead and sear this chicken nicely. You wanna get that chicken golden on both sides. Now, once both side is nicely seared, I am going to go ahead and just cover down the pot. This way, the inside of the chicken can continue to cook and hold in that moisture. Look at that beautiful chicken, guys. It's all done, and it was so juicy. It's not dried out, and that's how you want it. I have my remaining chicken cooking. So while that is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare our veggies. This is Rasta pasta, so you want to have the color, all the colors. The black from the chicken, we have the red bell peppers, we have the golden color bell peppers, and the green bell peppers. All right. So we're going to get those out of the way. I'm going to chop some garlic and onion, and we're going to saute those as well to add to our pan. So now our chicken is finishing up, and we have our vegetables ready. we're gonna go ahead and boil the pasta. I have some water boiling, adding my salt, and I'm using penne pasta, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir it in. You want to stir it for a little bit so that they don't stick when they start boiling. All right, so for the first 2 minutes, you want to occasionally stir that pasta. All right, now let's move on to the creamy magic. You want to go ahead and make your sauce, your creamy sauce for your penne pasta. You can use butter, but I'm using a little of the oil from the chicken, and I'm gonna saute my garlic and onions, and then I'm gonna add in my bell peppers. All right, I'm also gonna be adding in some jerk seasoning. This jerk seasoning that I'm using, it doesn't have any spice, okay? It only has the jerk flavor, but it's not spicy. You don't want your sauce to be spicy. I already use a spicy jerk seasoning on my chicken. All right, so for the sauce, we're gonna just cover those so that the bell pepper can soften a little bit and all the flavors can get to infuse. But for your milk, you can either use coconut or heavy cream. It's totally up to you. I've used them both and they both work fine for me. I'm gonna be using this whole can of coconut, and I'm also gonna add in some heavy cream as well. Once your cream is added, you want to go ahead and turn your stove down. Put it from like between medium and low because you don't want the sauce to boil. You want it to just simmer until all the flavors are infused and it thickens a little. I'm going to go ahead and I'm also going to check my pasta, which is now ready. You don't want to cook them too soft. I'm going to remove some of the liquid to add to my sauce as well. The starchiness from the pasta water will help to thicken your sauce a little bit. Now you want to go in with your cream cheese. I also like to use white queso velveeta. You don't necessarily have to, it's quite optional. And some of that same seasoning that I use on my chicken, I'm adding it into my pasta sauce as well. Because if the sauce doesn't have any taste or any flavor, your pasta is not gonna be nice. I added some grated Parmesan cheese, and now I'm gonna go in with my pasta. You wanna stir it up and make sure that it is well incorporated and the pasta can simmer for a little bit on the stove along with the sauce so that it can absorb all that goodness, all that creaminess. All right. And also, I'm going to be serving my jerk chicken on the side, but I have some cut up that I'm going to add in there as well so that this pasta can get to absorb some more of that jerk flavor. All right, so I'm gonna let it simmer on the stove for a couple more minutes and then dinner is ready. It was so good, guys. I'm telling you, like, the chicken was so juicy. I'm telling you, covering that pot after you have seared your chicken will help to keep that juiciness, that moisture in the chicken so that your chicken is not dried out. I'm telling you, this is so delicious. When my husband finish eat, him come back into the kitchen and say, "Yo, the food you bad, you know." Only Caribbean people will understand. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button and leave a comment if you can. All right. Enjoy the rest of your week, guys. Take care. Bye.